Hello everyone, this is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and for today's Amazon DIY, I'd like to teach you how bulk upload the tracking numbers for your FBM orders. Why you may need that, you may ask. Well, in this particular case, the 3PL API got corrupted and the tracking numbers did not transfer back to Amazon to mark them fulfilled in time. So we have to do this manually, but it's hard to do it manually when you're dealing with thousands of orders, and this method will come pretty handy when you are dealing with such an issue. So to begin with, the first thing you need to do is you click on the burger menu right there up in the corner, and from there you go to the orders and you go to upload order related files. When you upload order related files, the next thing you want to go to a download a template, which will open up a separate window, and from there you need to click shipping confirmation template. I've already done that, and I'll show you how it will look in a second. So it comes in the format of Excel, which is pretty much all the flat files, and you have your two tabs, data definition and the shipping confirmation. And start with a data definition. I'll just kind of quickly cover it up so you don't have to go through all of them. The most important ones are marked in bold: order ID, ship date, carrier code, and the tracking number, of course. Here, a couple of things worth mentioning. When it comes to the date, you have to make sure that it goes with a year, month, and a day, and you have to format that in your file. And you can pick the carrier code, as USPS is pretty self-explanatory, so is the rest of it. Right now, I have the file provided by the 3PL, so I have all this data on the other one, and I will do a little bit of a copy and paste work and show you how it works. So we'll start with the first file, first column here, which is the date. And as you can see, I've already formatted to be a year, month, and a day. And we go to the ship date. Next, we go to order numbers. Again, copy and paste. Next, we go to the carrier code, and which is here between the USPS and UPS. And most importantly, the tracking numbers. So with that put into the place, I'm going to do a quick manual check to see there's no breakages in between, because sometimes you could, especially when you're formatting specific files. And then, no, it's not. It looks everything is correct there. Actually, okay, the only thing is actually missing is the carrier code. So I will fix that and get back to you quickly. All right, I'm back and I found where was the error there real quick. And the reason I do these self-checks because I have got burned a few times to avoid back and forth uploading. I do that. As you can see right now, every important column is completely filled up and ready to go. And right now, the most important step that a lot of people fumble, which is the saving. So you got to make sure when you go to the saving and you use Microsoft or Apple, whatever it is, when you go to the save as, here, you got to make sure that you're saving in a tab delimited. I think that's how you pronounce it. So here we go to tab delimited right there. We save, okay, and yes. So now we have this file ready to go, and we come back to our page, choose the file, pick the right format in text, and upload. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I look forward for the new DIYs. All right, and we are back. What I wanted to show was after the things are processed, how it looks like. You can see 5,000 records were activated, and you can actually view the process reporting, because sometimes you may get errors. For example, here's like an old ones I can show, but if things are processed, you will get this report here that things have been activated, and that's how it looks. It took a little bit of time because you can see there's over 5,000 orders on that file, but other than that, this is how the process of uploading bulk tracking numbers for your FBM orders. Thank you.